Hey there, Sean from Street or Track. We're back with another brake kit. This one is our 13 by 1.25 brake system. It comes with these super nice, beefy US cast, finish machined 13 by 1.25 curved vane rowers. Exceptional cooling, great on the street, fantastic on the racetrack. I have personally set these on fire. Literally glowing cherry red at Road America, lap after lap after lap. Great rotor for the street, great rotor for the track with a different change of pads. You can see they're two-piece. What that means is this is the cast iron piece. This is the aluminum hat. Saves a ton of weight, also acts as a heat brake from the cherry red brake rotor, if you're on the track, let's say, through to the hub and the bearings, so it acts as like a bit of heat brake there. These get bolted onto the brake rotor there, and then you've seen these before, but these are our billet steel hubs. Very, very strong. For a long time we used the drum style cast iron brake hubs, but you know what, with all of the new tire technology, the suspension that we keep building, now we have the drop spindle, we can put bigger front tires on there. It made sense to beef up the hub. So this is billet steel, alloy, it's all heat treated. We have our screw-on dust cap, which goes on and off like this. It's got a little silicone O-ring on there. Makes that a very nice piece there. Bracketry, we have brackets for this kit that will fit the 65 through 73 drum style spindle. You can also put this on with different brackets. You can put this on 68 through 73 disc spindle brackets, and our billet steel, our billet drop spindle also, we have bracketry for that also. These are super nice. We have, it's all machined out of aluminum on a 5-axis CNC, and then we have these steel inserts here, so you can thread on and off the bolts here that hold the caliper on without worrying about damaging the aluminum. These are steel threaded inserts. Onto the caliper, this is really cool. These bad boys are huge. They're 4-piston stainless pistons. They take pads that are 8/100 thick each, which is, as you can see, quite thick. So what that does is it gives you enough compound that your brake pad's going to last a long time, which is the first benefit. And then also it acts as a piece of insulation. So if you are running around on the track, the more pad material you have between the brake rotor, which is hot, and the pistons, which we're trying to keep cool, and the brake fluid, obviously the better. So these are a fantastic pad. We have them in a couple of different compounds. We have a really, really nice street compound that will work straight from cold. And then we have a track compound that you can get warm on your warm-up lap and then just absolutely torture them, and that'd be great. So it's a really nice caliper body. It's stress flow forged from aluminum, so it's very stiff, and the pads are super easy to change. Basically, you're going to take out this bridge bolt here, pull the pads out, put new ones back in, maybe retract the pistons if they've perhaps moved, out of their bores, and that's it. New pads are on. It's really, really easy. They have stainless steel abutment plates too. What you'll find on brake calipers that don't have this, or the old cast iron ones, is that this little bridge tab here, this little tab, as it moves backwards and forwards along the caliper, it can actually gouge into the caliper body. So that is now not an issue with these little stainless steel guide plates that are on there. So that's really nice. So that's pretty much all the core stuff. Obviously there's bearings and spindle nut kit and bolts and etc. to put the kit together, included in the kit. If you have any other questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching. Hey, so check that out. That's our billet steel hub with screw-on dust cap, races installed, ARP studs, aluminum hat, and a 13 by 1.25 wide brake rotor that comes in at 21.8 pounds. So here you can see the stock size brake rotor. This one's 11.25 by only 810 thick, so it's got a really thin air gap, which you can see there, with the one-piece hub, small studs, and the races are installed. No dust cap in this one installed yet, but you can see it's actually heavier. It's 22.4 pounds.